And so where we've seen the best benefits from Flowla has been in those high urgency deals. Our closes with Flowla are 64% versus 41% without it. So a pretty good uptick, doubled the number of closes we're doing per month since we started using Flowla. A couple of months into using Flowla, we managed to achieve that. I think our first sales hire was in like March of last year. Before that, it was all founder led or myself kind of being involved in the process. And when we brought the sales team on, we realized that we need to really improve our processes and improve the experience from a prospect's perspective, mainly with the goal of, to be honest, just streamlining things and making the experience much better from a client side, but also obviously increase close rates that could then have an impact on our overall sales funnel. Flowla comes in after the initial kind of sales call is done. So after that sales call is done, then one of the AEs, whoever took the call, will send across the Flowla room. And the goal of that is firstly to reduce back and forth. Secondly, I think to build trust and make the clients feel like, okay, this is a serious organization because they have this great setup and kind of to improve the experience in that way. Before that, we would send over a post-call email. And in that email, we'd have to send the deck, we'd have to send information that might help them make that decision. And so there was so many links and so much information that it just felt kind of clogged. And I felt like if I was a client going through that experience, it'd be very hard for me to actually remember what I need to do because I'd have like a bit of an information overload. Best thing for us is the fact that because you can create so many different templates, it makes it really easy if we have different types of clients or different situations to then send across what they need. As a startup, you're constantly reviewing any tool that you use and saying, okay, is this actually delivering high ROI? And I remember back end of last year, I had a chat with them and said, how important do you think Flowla is? If we were to remove it today, how much of a headache would this cause, etc. And they were very much on the camp of, no, we can't. We don't want to lose that because it makes things so much easier.